What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Firstly, I just want to say that I'm sorry for the cheesy title of this video. I know usually that these kind of videos titled make $5,000 a month while you eat, sleep, and poop every single month is usually complete clickbait. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $5,198 every month passively, literally while I sleep. Passive income is real, and I'm going to show you proof of this just in a bit. And I also want to show you the best way to make true passive income and how I got to this. My secret is digital membership based products. So for those of you that are completely new to passive income is all about earning money and income without doing the work actively. So you can be on holiday, chilling, traveling, or working on something else while you're still getting paid. And also another thing that I want to explain to you guys, this video is also not going to be some magic potion that is going to suddenly make you $5,000 per month from day one or from the first day. That's not how this works. We all have to start somewhere. But if you are serious about making serious money and passive income online, this is the kind of content that you should be watching. And also, I have a gift for you guys just as a thank you for the support on this channel, and I'm doing a giveaway in every single video just to give back to you guys, to help you guys out as much as possible. I actually have this course over here where at the end of this, I'm going to give you this $200 Udemy passive income bullet course for free, which teaches you how to make passive income on Udemy. So this is what this page looks like over here. And if you want to learn how to get this course, make sure to watch this video until the end, and at the end I'll give this course to you guys, but also make sure to not skip any crucial steps in this video. So before we get into the strategy, I just want to show you proof as promised. So what I did was I came over to my Kartra dashboard, which is the affiliate tool that I've been an affiliate for. And don't worry, you can become an affiliate for these guys for free. So if you come over to your affiliate promos, and over here you can come to your payments and then your earnings, and you can see exactly what you've earned. So I have so far earned this month $5,198 with Kartra. I currently have $378 in reserve, $198.40 due today, and so far I've been paid out $4,620.80. So just to refresh to show you that this is my live dashboard. There you can see that this is indeed my live dashboard and not some kind of screenshot or anything like that. So I want to explain to you guys before we get into this 4 other opportunities or business models that we can go and use to build passive income. So firstly, there's dropshipping, which is all about selling products and inventory items without actually keeping those items on your floor, kind of outsourcing that at a markup with your supplier. Most people dropship through AliExpress, so what they do is they create simple Shopify stores, listing AliExpress products on their store at a big markup, and when they get placed an order on their store, that order just transfers to AliExpress. AliExpress does all the hard work and all the deliveries. Great way to generate passive income is you can run ads on your dropshipping store, and those ads kind of make money on your store for yourself. Another one is e-commerce, ordering products yourself and selling that on your store, running ads, and that could also be all automated. The only thing you would have to do is deliveries and stuff like that. Drop servicing, one of my best and most favorite business models online, all about selling high income skills without doing the work yourself. And then you've got affiliate marketing, which is the best for passive income. So I want to explain to you quickly that when it comes to affiliate marketing, the best way to build a passive income business, and a big business, I'm talking 5, eventually scale to 6 figures plus, is digital membership based products. So I want to explain to you what that means. So if I come over to this website over here called Kartra.com, which is the tool that I use to build landing pages, email campaigns, membership areas, funnels, videos, my help desks, Kartra calendars, my agencies, my different Kartra forms, and all sorts of marketplaces and stuff like that. This is a tool that you pay a monthly fee for, and I use this every single day. But I'm also an affiliate for them. So I want to show you what I mean by passive income, true passive income from this. So if I come over to the plans and pricing tab, take a look at this. So they have 4 different packages. So the first package is $99 a month, $199 for the silver, all the way up to $499 per month for the platinum plan. So what this means is if I refer someone to this tool, Kartra pays me a commission every single month for referring that client. So that client pays $99 a month. I get 40% or whatever he pays to Kartra every single month. So let's say I refer one person to the silver plan. That's $199 times 40% because the commission's 40%. That means now I'm going to earn $79.60 every single month from one client. Let's say I set a goal of 50 people in my first year as promoting Kartra as an affiliate to the silver plan. So multiply 79 by 50. That is now $4,000 a month for just a year's effort. So $4,000 a month passively while you sleep by just having the goal of 50 people in your first year is incredible. That's a middle class to high income. As the average income in these states is $2,000 a month, this is nearly double that. So this is really, really good. And even if you take the starter plan, 99 times 40%, that is now $39 times 50 people in your first year. That's still just under $2,000 a month. That is big, big income. And remember, some people might go for the gold plan. Let's take the biggest plan. So $499 times 40% is now $199. Let's say our goal is 5 people on the platinum plan in the first 6 months of promoting this tool. We times this by 5. That's now $1,000 a month on just 5 people on the platinum plan. So you can see how consistent effort into this over time can really build a big business out of this, and how much commissions you can actually make from this. I'm now at the point where I'm making about, over here, $5,198 every single month by just referring people to this tool. Now, before I get into the actual source of making this business work, I'm actually going to reverse this whole video around. I'm actually going to take you through the 3 tools that have literally changed my whole business around, that have taken me from an affiliate marketing fail to an affiliate marketing success, now $5,000 a month. And these are ultimately 3 tools that I use to do this. And then after I explain these 3 tools, I'm going to explain to you exactly how I use these tools to make this kind of money. So the first tool that I want to show you guys, and I've spoken about this a lot on my channel, is called Video Marketing Blaster, which is a tool that all you need to do is you need to enter a keyword, any specific keyword that you want to rank for, and you can rank on the top pages of Google and YouTube, specifically your videos. So take a look at this. This basically drives 100% free traffic from Google and YouTube to your offer. You can find hidden keywords, untapped buyers, and that can easily be exploited into getting a lot of traffic to your page and finding high converting traffic. The great thing about this is you don't need any skills or SEO skills or anything like that. All you do is you enter a keyword. For example, you can enter Kartra trial into this tool. This tool will then generate you a done for you title, done for you tags, and done for you description to rank your videos on Google and YouTube at the #1 page for that term Kartra trial. So when people search in Google Kartra free trial, you're going to pop up first. They're going to click on your affiliate link, and boom, that's commissions every month for signing someone up. And also, I just want to show you quickly, this tool down here is a paid tool at $27. It's not needed for this strategy. You don't need it, but it does help a lot. It's $27 once off. I am an affiliate for this tool, but if you don't want to support my affiliate link, you can just head over to videomarketingblaster.com. I will leave a link down below if you want to check out this tool, if you want to support that through my affiliate link. But again, if you don't want to support that, you can just head over to Video Marketing Blaster. And then secondly, I want to show you this tool over here called Lingoblaster.com, which basically translates all your videos and all your content that you create into various different languages in the world to reach foreign audience. If you think about it, if you're only making your videos in English, people in France that speak German or that speak Dutch or that speak any kind of foreign language, your videos won't reach them because your videos are not in their native language. So when they're searching on YouTube in their German language, for example, you're not going to pop up. But this tool will automatically translate all your videos and rank you for their languages, getting you a ton of more traffic. And then thirdly, I know I've been speaking about content. I'm going to use this tool over here called Speechello, which basically turns text into 100% human sounding voiceover. So this tool as well is also paid. This is at $37. I'm not an affiliate for this one. You can just go head over to this website. And this is not my website either. But again, it's not needed. If you keep watching with me, I'm going to show you how you can do the strategy completely without any these tools needed. The third tool that I use is called Speechello.com, which is 100% human sounding voiceover with only 3 clicks. Really, really top quality. Take a listen to this.
Since the dawns of humanity, people would gather around the...
You can kind of hear the quality of that human sounding voiceover. It's not like this free robot that just sounds pretty bad. It's a real good quality human sounding voiceover, and this we can go and use, and I'm going to explain to you just in a bit. This is also a paid tool, but again, not required. You can do the strategy without these 3 tools, but these are 3 very secret tools that will give you a huge boost with this. And then thirdly, the fourth and ultimate platform that's going to make this for us is actually youtube.com. Now, before you click off thinking we're going to go produce videos, and all of you that have that mindset against YouTube and that are so against YouTube producing content and are shy to get in front of a camera, That's also why I've listed these tools for you. It's honestly just a weak excuse. I mean, if you think about it, you basically have one life. And to get to places that you've never been, you need to do things that you've never done and really get outside of your comfort zone. So I really suggest try and get over that mindset of YouTube, because YouTube is ultimately a goldmine, a great place to make a ton of money. And not only you can make money from passive income affiliate programs, you can also make money off the YouTube ad revenue. So I'm going to search a keyword, that same keyword that we would put into Video Marketing Blaster. Let's type here best landing page builder, for example. Take a look at this. I want to show you what some of these people are doing. So these people over here, for example, this person over here created the best landing page builder and service to create one-page websites. And what they do is they create these simple review videos, and they basically list, if you look in the description over here, affiliate links to their page. So they've got an affiliate link to lead pages, Elementor, and get response. Now every time someone clicks on these links after watching this video, this guy gets a commission for every sign up and referral. Now that's what we are basically going to do. We can create simple review videos of Kartra. All you do is you come over here to the Kartra training portal. I actually want to show you a simple trick. So this is a training portal where they give you done for you videos that train you on how to use Kartra. So I definitely suggest that you go and have a look through all of these training videos and kind of replicate them yourself. You can use simple recording software such as OBS to record your screen. Over here called Open Broadcaster software. It's completely free. It's the same program I use over here. And if you are not confident to speak into a mic, you can use the software over here to generate you a done for you human voiceover. So that this does take away a lot of the raw scariness from YouTube, is using this voiceover software. That's why I wanted to recommend it to you, to make it easier. So you'll see they have tons of done for you training over here. Kind of just turn this into a video. You make a review and you can title it on YouTube, the best landing page builder. Create a little thumbnail, get influence from these top guys over here. Don't copy them, just get influence. And you kind of want to replicate their virality because they're obviously ranking at the top. And you can create tutorials on how to create Kartra landing pages. You'll see over here on my Kartra dashboard, how to create a Kartra membership, how to host videos on Kartra, how to create pages, how to create email campaigns, how to add products. You can have all of these as separate tutorials on your channel. Educate people on Kartra and just recommend it to them, like in the description below, to your affiliate link, and you can get signups like that. So I personally want to show you, I run 2 YouTube channels doing this on a daily basis. So this is a channel over here called Millionaire Mindset Plus, which is the one that I'm posting on now, where I'm creating different videos, teaching people about various different platforms, the different platforms that I use, and I kind of just recommend it to them. And just to show you my second channel as well, or this is actually my second channel, but this is actually my main channel over here, where I do the same thing, and I recommend various different programs and teach people how to do various different strategies on a daily basis. And secondly, what you can also go and do is, let me go search on Google, Kartra trial. We can actually go and run Google ads for a keyword. So take a look at this. Here's 2 ads over here. So when people search Kartra trial, you kind of want to have Kartra trial plus 2 free hours of free training or something like that, and you want to go and rank on the top page of Google. This is a great way to make money from the free method from YouTube, because you're not investing anything to start with YouTube. And from there you can invest into Google ads and rank your Kartra affiliate link on the top page of Google for Kartra affiliate terms, and target people that are specifically looking for Kartra, which gets very high return rates. And on top of YouTube, you can also go and use Udemy and post like a free Kartra course on Udemy, or sell that course if you want to. So you can have a course going for like $5 and teaching them how to use each and every function on Kartra. So over here, this page over here, you just go through all the different functions on Kartra, create a simple course on this. You can use the speech yellow voiceover if you want, if you're not confident in speaking your own voice, and then post that course on Udemy, and kind of after the course recommend, here's my affiliate link to Kartra to sign up now that you understand how to use Kartra. So this is a great way to make passive income, not only through the Kartra affiliate program, but also through Udemy course sales. And over time, you can build a business around YouTube, creating ad revenue and getting monetized as well. So in case you haven't realized, I've actually released or revealed 3 different ways to earn from this. That's YouTube ad revenue. That's also passive, because your videos get views. Videos from last year are still getting views today, making passive income. You've got the Kartra affiliate program, and then you've got Udemy course sales. So you can kind of see how big entrepreneurs are really setting up multiple streams of income online. And this video that I've created now on YouTube will really open up your mind about that and teach you, well, this already opens up 3 different streams of income from doing this. But I want you to understand after watching this, it's not something that comes overnight. Like you can see, this takes setting up, recording these courses, making them. But, I mean, to get to places that you've never been, you've got to put in the effort. And to make big money online, it takes efforts. The top entrepreneurs in the world, think about it, they work 20 hours a day, literally operate on bread and milk and just work 24/7. Because that's the effort it takes. But now this is a great foundation for you to get started with something like this. And quickly before I go, I want to give you this course over here. So if you want this course, all I would appreciate is leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. I would really appreciate the support, as these videos do take kind of a lot of time to set up, to plan, to make sure they work, to test them out myself. So a lot of effort goes into this. And also subscribe down below with the bell on to get a notification every time I upload a value packed video just like this one. And also comment down below that you're ready, and I will leave a download link to this course. But what I'm going to do is, on the screen above, I'm actually going to leave a link to my entire Kartra training playlist. If you want to learn more about Kartra, give this a go. It will help you really boost your income with Kartra affiliates even more. I've got about 15 to 20 videos in this Kartra affiliate training course. It's information that I've learned in paid courses. Here it is for free on YouTube. So you're welcome to go and click on that, and I'll see you there.